Iubenda tutorial for beginners. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Iubenda. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Iubenda, you could also use my affiliate links on the description below where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know Iubenda, it is a platform that offers solutions for websites and apps to comply with various legal requirements, particularly regarding privacy and terms of service, in which it provides tools for generating customizable privacy policies, cookie banners, terms and conditions, and other legal documents tailored to specific jurisdictions and regulations like GDPR. And also using this platform, it helps businesses to ensure that their online activities adhere to legal standards and protect user data privacy. And now to start signing up on this platform, you could also click the sign up button that you can find on the top right corner in here, in which upon clicking on it, it will show you a pop-up window, and all you need to do is to enter your email address and also to create your own password. Then just proceed by clicking the sign up button below here to proceed. And after that, from here, you will be able to see the accept the terms of service. Then just proceed by clicking accept and continue button below. Upon clicking on it, you will be directed in here, then just click accept and continue again. Then the next thing that you need to do is to simply verify your account using the verification email that has been sent to your email address. So just go to your email inboxes, and from here, just confirm your email by simply clicking this confirm your email button below here. And upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page right here. And as you can see, this is what the dashboard looks like of Iubenda. And on this dashboard, it is a centralized hub where users can manage various aspects of their legal compliance efforts. And these include document management, compliance monitoring, cookie consent management, integration management, analytics and reporting, and many more. And aside from that, you can navigate also this product and services button on the top panel, in which you will be able to see here some of the services that offer on this platform. We have here privacy and cookie policy generator, whistleblowing management tool, and many more, in which this serves as a comprehensive guide to the various offerings available to users, as it includes products, features, and services offered by Iubenda. For instance, this privacy and cookie policy generator, by simply clicking the explore button below here, you will be able to see here that you can start generating and manage privacy and cookie policy that is professional, self-updating, and customizable on this platform, in which using this cookie generator, users can input details about their website or app, such as the type of cookies used, purposes for which they're used, and any third-party services integrated that may set cookies. And below here, it will show you how it works, such as the first thing that we need to do is to customize, followed by integrating. Then after that, we can now start managing and updating successfully. So basically, using cookie and policy generator functions, it empowers businesses to create comprehensive legal documents that inform users about data collection practices. And aside from that, we also have here terms and condition generator, privacy controls and cookie solutions, consent database, and many more. Now going back on this dashboard, aside from that, you could also navigate here below the account and billing info by simply clicking on it. This option streamlines the administrative tasks associated with managing an Iubenda account, providing users with convenient access to essential account details, billing information, and subscription management functionalities. You will see here your billing history, general info, and even email preferences, in which it enhances user experience by offering transparency, flexibility, and support in handling account-related matters effectively. And you could also navigate here Earn with Iubenda, in which it offers a referral program in order to earn a commission on this platform, in which users can sign up for the referral program through their Iubenda account, and they receive unique referral link or code that they can share with others such as friends, colleagues, or clients. And under this FAQs, you will be able to see here that the commission rate for referral reward is 30% for privacy and cookie policy generator, and you could also get a referral reward or bonus. And aside from that, they also offer Iubenda affiliate program, in which users can earn commission by promoting Iubenda's product and services to their audience, in which affiliates typically receive personalized tracking links or banners that they can place on their websites, social media accounts, or other platforms, in which they also offer partnership opportunities and incentives and rewards. Now going back on this page right here, if you also want to see other offerings or features that offer on this platform, you can simply click this featured button below here, in which you will be directed under this consent database, which the consent database allows website and apps to capture and record user consent for various purposes such as cookie usage, data processing activities, marketing, communications, and many more. It also offers a register of data processing activities under its feature, which users can create and maintain a register or inventory of all data processing activities conducted within the organization. This includes documenting the types of personal data collected and the purposes for which it's processed, the categories of data subjects involved included. And aside from that, below here, you will be able to see here some other feature that offered by Iubenda, which include privacy policy generator, cookie solution, terms and condition generator, and many more, in which those features collectively provide businesses with a comprehensive suite of tools and resources to address their online legal compliance needs, protect user privacy, and uphold data protection standards, in which it helps organizations systematically document, assess, and manage their data processing activities, facilitating compliance with data protection regulations and promoting responsible data stewardship. And now to start generating, just click the Start Generating button on the top right corner, and on this pop-up window, the first thing that you need to do is to simply scan your site or just enter your website in here. So for instance, I'm going to enter here menswear.com, and after that, just proceed by clicking the next button below here to continue, in which the next thing that you need to do is to simply fill out or answer some of the questions below here, including where are you based or the country that you are designated right now. And just proceed by clicking the next button after selecting your countries. Then proceed by choosing the language for your documents. And by simply answering all of these questions, this will automatically identify which requirements apply to you. So you could also choose here to target users who have here worldwide, only in my country, and even selected countries. But in those options, I'm going to choose worldwide, then just click the next button to proceed. And from here, the next thing that you need to do is to simply select the answer to their question, which of the following best describes your websites. We have here generic, personal or institutional, publisher or blog, online service, and many more. And after that, just click the next button after selecting your answer. Then from here, all you need to do is to wait for it to load for the result, in which it will show you the result in here if you're passed. And you could also see here the number of attention required, not detectable, and even not applicable. So below here, if you scroll down, you will be able to edit manually all of your answer to fix with Iubenda. Or alternatively, you could also click the solution and embedding. By simply clicking in here, you will be able to see here some of the products and solution offered by Iubenda. However, you must have an upgrade account in order to access this privacy and policy, or to be able to generate any of these terms and condition, consent database, and many more. So you must have an upgrade account and not just free account in order to access this feature. And to upgrade your account, you could simply click this pricing button below here under this product and services. By simply clicking on it, you will be directed in here, and if you scroll down, it will show you some of the plan offered by this Iubenda. We have here Essentials, Advanced, and Ultimate plan. Essentials amounting to $5.99 per month, while Advanced plan amounting to $24.99 per site up or per month, and also Ultimate amounting to almost $100 per month. And if you scroll down below here, it will show you the corresponding benefits included on each plan. But that is just basically how you can use Iubenda. Thank you.